Hey, welcome guys in the tutorial of Solidworks. So I previously show you that how can you use this drawing sheet to make a drawing of any part file. So now we are going to see that how can you edit the options, edit the name, edit the title of a drawing sheet. So how can you edit some part of a drawing sheet? So as you can see, if I click on this, I will not get any, I can't edit it. So what you have to do, you have to go to sheet format, go to edit sheet format. If you go to edit sheet format here, now you can edit this, but I don't want this. You can remove this by selecting that and pressing delete button like this. I will select this and I will hit the delete button. So now these are some error which I got, and I don't know why I got this error, but that's not required in your drawing sheet. So I remove all this unwanted unwanted part. Now this company name, if you double click on this, you can write your name or company name or whatever you want. So I write like this, click on tick. You can edit it again by double clicking on this word, and you can move it by dragging it like this, and you can make it bigger like this. So in this way you can use this thing. Now title, for title what you can do, you can go to title block fields. Here you can write like this one, so that's a title. Now you can go to insert, go to annotation, note, and hold like this here and write title. So let's say drawing 1 of part 1, and then click on this. So you have inserted title. So drawing number for this one, what you can do, again go to insert, go to annotation, note here, put it here like this. Is drawing number 1 like this. So in this way you can fill all this detail, drawing name, all this detail. So you can fill like this way. You can modify all this by double clicking on that. You can change the font, size, like this is a position, all the way, all you can use bullets like this. There are so many options available, you can try that. So hold it and drag it where you want to put it, and like this. So this is the how can you edit some part of a drawing sheet. So in this way you can use that. And if you want to exit that, go to view layer, go to this and click on again edit sheet format, go to view layout. So you have now your whole drawing sheet. So in this way you can edit the part of a drawing. And if you have so that's the thing. And thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.